So if you're looking to support local pollinators and help boost bee activity, not just for our native bees, but the European honeybee too, they need some help. As we know, they're having struggles. Native plants are fantastic for supporting the local and non-native bees in the garden. Through the millennia, our California native plants have evolved with the local pollinators to support each other. And when you bring those plants back, you increase your native pollinators, which actually help the non-pollinators. I've actually found studies that when European honeybees interacted with native bees while they're out pollinating, they actually get a bit agitated and they'll go out and pollinate more. I don't know why. Maybe because they're excited they met someone new. I'm not sure. So bringing in native plants will definitely boost native pollinators and non-native